Alright guys, back at the boat show. Super excited to take a look at this 60 open Kadey-Krogen. This is probably the nicest boat we're going to see today. Let's hop on board. So massive compared, this is the 58, it just feels so much bigger than what you're used to seeing on the Kadey-Krogens. It really feels like it belongs here with all these super yachts. It's so much taller, sits so much higher in the water. And this is a new model. Built in Taiwan. I think it's the 50-year anniversary of Kadey-Krogen. Wow. Look at this. I mean, this is huge. This is a tub. Pass through the wing door here. Check out this house hole with double cleats. Nice gray boot striping, gray two-tone colors, bright white, flawless gel coat. You know, as a detailer, you don't realize it, but you'll see a lot of times factory defects where they pop out of the mold. And even at boat shows, I've seen some stuff that you wouldn't believe at these boat shows, where they had to patch it, you know, a brand new boat. Not on this one. Proper ship door, very heavy. As on the 58, we've got starboard and port controls here at the helm at the Portuguese Bridge. Here's a look at the 58. We just did a video on that one. It's got the teak, but it's epoxy finished to match the non-skid. This boat doesn't have any teak on it. Less wood finish, more modern feel. Whew, look at this bow pulpit. Got twin Maxwell windlass. Got a Rockna 70-pound and a 55 Vulcan. Hopefully that'll hold. Look at the extra support here. Again, another thing, you know, when you're looking at a brand new boat, you want to look right here along the edges. And if you're already seeing rust while the boat is at the boat show, assuming it's a new boat, a lot of these boats aren't new. This is new. Not a good sign, not a good stainless. This, can't find any rust. Another good spot to look right here. You know, it's just really hard for the cleaners to get in there. And once the rust starts, it's hard to hide it. So, and I'm telling you, it's just a little detailer tip. If there's rust there along the fiberglass on a stainless, from the stainless on a brand new boat, it'll be indicative of a lot of other stuff on that boat. It's just going to be a lesser quality boat. It's just a fact. If they're using cheap stainless, probably a cheap boat. The pipework here is slightly flattened. I'm not sure what they call that, but really nice. It's not round. It's just got a little oval look to it. Whew. It's a little ship right here. Head up onto the bridge. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. It's a ways up. Covered side decks. This is nice. Again, thinking from a detailer, cleaning, detailing, waxing, you can get out there and access the top of this bridge. Keep it clean. Painted boot stripe. I love the color. I love the color on the non-skid as well. Always better than bright white if you can get a little cream or a light gray. Very shiny. Everything is just popping. All this stainless, the morning sun coming in, clean as a whistle. Stout. Look at this pipe work for this hard top. It's a big hard top. Nice upholstery. I so much more prefer this type of a material. It's more of like a canvas feel than the sticky fake leather vinyl. You know, this is going to weather so much better when you're wet and salty. This is going to feel better on your skin instead of sticky. Got the Stid captain chair and a navigator seat. Furuno electronics. This boat does come with twin John Deeres. Let's see if we'll be able to get inside. Take a look at those. Steelhead Marine, 1,500 pound davit. Good sized dinghy covered. And this is a big space back here. We've got the grill. And okay, propane. So nice spot. Get some deck chairs out here, little table, and have lunch. Nice handrail here, well thought of. Taking you down. Up in the upper, we've got a access here. So if you're on a floating dock, I've got a nice side door here up to port, and there's another to starboard. So depending on where you're at, some of these tides can fluctuate. They don't fluctuate too much down here in South Florida, only about 3 feet, but other places you might need that to get on and off. All right, into the pilot house. Look at this massive wood wheel.
Okay.
Yeah, I'd love to see them crafting that.
The 44.
Massive screens. Making everything simplified with all of the information spread out here. You can see from the helm straight back through the salon door.
Well, it's less money than
all the way out.
was expected.
Board raked windows. Let's head down into the accommodations. Stop here.
Yes, sir.
There's all of our electric. I like how everything's lit up. Wow. Yeah, you don't feel that too much. You don't see that too much. This is a massive space right here. Again, going to double as a little entertainment area or office space. It's huge. Usually you come down those stairs and you're just kind of jammed into a little hallway. Massive port lights. And boy, just look at this. Love the sunshine coming in. Man, those are big port lights. Wonder if they have covers in case you're in a rough sea. You could drop down. It's not. Look at this walk-in closet. Goodness. A lot of space. You don't see too many walk-ins that big. It is a 60, but tile floors. Nice cream color. Large, very large. It's a 2-person shower with bench. More of the port lights. And into the engine room. Man, that must be like 9 feet of clearance or more in that engine room. Shame they won't let us in. Private vessel, please do not open. I'm tempted to. Like Guess I won't. John Deere's. Look at that fuel tank. Holy cow. I gotta get you guys some specs on that. Massive fire suppression system. That don't look like it'd be too bad of a place to do a little maintenance. Super high ceiling. Gonna keep it a little cooler. Man, the joinery, the woodwork is so bright, clean, light color. You got twin hatches here to let in some cool sea breeze. This one's covered. And again, more port lights, a little bit smaller. Plenty of natural light coming in. And another large shower. Alright, now for a continual walk on this 2025 60 Kadey-Krogen. Well guys, starting to get to be a busy morning here at the show. Boats are starting to clog up with people, so I better move on to the next one. Hoping to get on a Fleming, maybe a Nordhaven. We'll see if they let me on. Alright, well here we are on Krogen Yachts, and here's Tara, and I'm about 99% sure this is the exact same boat. Excellent, excellent build quality, just top of the line. Drop a comment below who you think is better than a Krogen. Here you have all their different models, 44E, 48, 50 open. Again, I did the video on the 58, and this is the biggest, the 60. Here, they got some pre-owned stuff. Let's see what they've got. Yeah, now here we have a few listings, specifically Kadey-Krogen group listings, but there's a few more out there, but not a lot. Not a lot of Krogens on the market. As you can see, they tend to hold their value pretty well. 2008, 775,000, 44 in Baltimore, Maryland. Well, let's jump over here. I wanted to show you this. Power and Motor Yacht did a video, really nice video, giving you a lot more information in depth. Short video, so if you'd like, take a look at that. Let's see if we got a few pictures of the 60 here. Out at sea. Really proper looking little boat. You got that seating, it's nice seating right up there in front of the Portuguese Bridge. yeah, I'd love to have this to cruise up and down the East Coast. Well, there you have it, guys. There's all the different models. I am a yacht broker now, so if you've got something you'd like to buy or sell in Southwest Florida, also I do buy my own boats, so I flipped quite a few boats. Usually do smaller stuff, but I will take on trawlers as well. Don't really get into too many sailboats, but that's all I've got for you. I appreciate you watching. We'll see you on the next one in the harbor.